Are you seeing PS5 NAT Type Failed or NAT Type Strict and online gaming is not working? Stop scrolling. In the next 10 seconds, I will explain exactly why this happens and how to fix it permanently. NAT means Network Address Translation. On PlayStation 5, there are 3 NAT types. NAT Type 1 means open and perfect. NAT Type 2 means moderate and fully playable. NAT Type 3 means strict or failed and causes party chat, matchmaking, and connection errors. First, restart everything properly. Turn off your PS5 completely. Turn off your router and modem. Unplug power cables. Wait at least 2 minutes. Now turn on the modem first, then the router, then the PS5. This simple step fixes NAT issues for many users. Second, check your internet connection type. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to View Connection Status. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to LAN cable. Ethernet cable gives stable NAT Type 2. If Wi-Fi is your only option, use 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. Third, enable UPnP on your router. UPnP means Universal Plug and Play. Log into your router settings, find UPnP option and turn it on. Save settings and restart router. UPnP automatically opens required ports for PS5 and is safe for home gaming. Fourth, use manual port forwarding if UPnP does not work. Set your PS5 to a static IP address. Use IP like 192.168.1.50. Subnet mask should be 255.255.255.0. Gateway should be your router IP. Primary DNS can be 8.8.8.8. Secondary DNS can be 8.8.4.4. Now forward PlayStation ports on router. This method is proven and widely used. Fifth, check if your internet provider uses CGNAT. CGNAT blocks open NAT completely. Call your ISP and ask for public IPv4 or bridge mode. Without this, NAT type 1 or 2 is impossible. Finally, test connection again. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Test Internet Connection. If done correctly, NAT type 2 will appear. This is not a trick. These solutions are real, tested, and used by technicians worldwide. If this helped, you are watching Tech Vibes.